So it is a blizzard right now. My camera's actually in a plastic bag out of fear that it'll get wet and ruined in the snow. But this morning it was already past, it's hard to see. My Doc Martens come like mid-shin and it was already past that this morning. I have to go to my neighbor's house to feed her cat. So let's do some snow walking. Ooh, crap. It's hard to see. I don't have night vision. Yep, that's past my boots. That's coming up. Alright, I'm gonna close the bag. Hopefully you can still hear me. That's my mailbox. It's completely almost buried. And this isn't supposed to end until 3 a.m. As of this morning, it said. This is really hard to do. Thankfully, she came home for a little bit. She's only down the road, but she shoveled. So, oh, it got dark. Oreo! I can't see her. Oreo, don't let me step on you, please. I'm zooming. Okay. There's Kitty. Okay, so I had paused video so I could take off my boots. As you can see, I have left a snowy trail in my neighbor's house. And here's little Miss Oreo. Oh, I'm out of focus. Oreo. There she is. Oh, come here. No, come here. There she is. It's really out of focus. Alright, oops, zooming in. There we go. Oh, whoop. There we go. So yeah, it's crazy. I feel like we haven't had a snow like this in a really long time. It's actually a blizzard. We're in a state of emergency. I was off today. I just texted my boss my other job at the salon and I'm off tomorrow, thank God. I haven't even begun to shovel my car out anyway, but it's doing pretty well last time I checked because it's under trees. My mom's car is completely buried. Yeah, no, I'm not, again, I had my camera, hey kitty, in a plastic bag so it wouldn't get too wet because it's still snowing. And I mean, last time I checked, which was like 8 something in the morning, it's supposed to continue to snow like this until 3 a.m. and they said we were potentially gonna have breaks through the day, but I don't think we ever did. Hey baby. Oh, Oreo. But yeah, it's been, she's licking me. It's been nuts today. I didn't do much. I slept in, well, actually I didn't sleep in. I ended up taking a nap again. I watched Snowpiercer. Great wintertime movie. What are you doing? Great snow themed movie. And it's super windy, like crazy windy. Hopefully our neighbors, because it's an apartment, don't find it creepy that I'm just talking. Alright, wait, it's gonna get dark. I'm gonna turn on some lights. Boop, boop, boop. Okay. Still dark. Turn on more lights. There we go. It's still dark. I'll turn on even more lights. Yeah, I know. Okay, so I need to rub it up more. Ugh. Ooh. Okay, so yeah, it's just been a really crazy day with the snow, and yesterday when it started snowing, I mean, I couldn't imagine it coming this high. I feel like the last time it snowed like this was, I mean, last year we had crazy snow, but it was more like icy stuff. Like we've had ice storms. We had a few years ago, I think I was still in high school, we had like a snowstorm in October, like on Halloween, we had snow on the ground. But I remember in 4th grade we got a foot of snow, and I remember that being crazy. But last time I checked again at like 8 in the morning, they said we could be getting 18 to like 24 inches, which is nuts, especially like around here. Yeah, it's just, I'm surprised we still have power. But yeah, it's crazy, it's nuts. I wanted to show you guys that maybe tomorrow when it's actually not snowing, I'll go on like a walk in the snow. But it was like, I don't know if you're gonna be able to hear me in this video, but I was like trudging through that snow. It came up, I'm still in PJ pants, it came up like to my knees pretty much. Like it was deep, I could not walk. So yeah, I just wanted to give you, I mean, it's dark now, so it was like kind of not the best time to film, but that's when I had to come over here to take care of Oreo, and I didn't really feel like coming out any sooner today, especially because I don't have proper snow gear. I have a pair of Doc Martens, and I'm in pajama pants, and like 5 layers on top, and 2 hat layers. So yeah, so I just wanted to show you guys what's been going on today, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. It'll be Sunday. X-Files comes back, woot woot, except I'm not caught up, so I'm not gonna watch it. I mean, I've already watched all of X-Files, but I'm rewatching, and I'm still in season 9. But woot woot, thumbs up if you're watching the X-Files. Like, comment, subscribe, tell me your snow stories. Again, I know there was like back in 94, I guess there was a blizzard. I remember hearing that. I mean, I was not even born yet, I guess, no, I guess I was born, depending on when it happened. Yeah, I don't know when in 94 it happened, but this is like, I feel like this is the first real blizzard I was in. I don't ever remember it being this bad. But yeah, so tell me your crazy blizzard stories. This is like, it's crazy. It's silent other than like the wind and like the sound of snow coming down. There's no one on the streets, there's no one anywhere. So yeah, now I have to feed this cat. Let's see her. Oreo, there she is. Okay, time to feed the baby. Bye. Ooh, where's my stop button?